Alright, in the last video we saved something that we wanted to keep permanently, so we saved it back to the keyboard's computer. When you do that, it doesn't have a category or a name, so it's most helpful in the future if you can go ahead and give it a category and give it a name. I like to use the category of user because then I know that's something that I or we or someone here has created. It's not something that automatically came with the keyboard. But you could use organ or pad or call it whatever you think it is. It's totally up to you. So here I want to change. I've already stored it, so I want to use the function under the button. I want to store as. So I'm going to use my Shift key. Go Shift, Store As. Now my first choice is to change the category. So I'm going to use the knob. User is the first thing that comes up to the left. I could call it anything I wanted. I could call it a synthesizer, a string, or a pluck. I want to call it user. Okay, so I'm happy with my category. I'll use my arrow keys and I'll tab over to the next one. You name it whatever you like. The user tells us that that's one of ours, if you want to call it whatever. I like to start mine with my initial because then I know it's mine. It just helps me to find what I'm looking for more quickly. And it communicates that, hey, this is one of Karen's. So I do that, and I'm just turning the knob to find the letters I want. So I'll give it a blank. K, we're going to call this one K Demo. K Demo. Okay, so that way we know that actually we can record over this some other time. It's not important. Okay, so I've changed my category. I've changed my name. So now I'm going to hit store because I'm happy with that, and that's the way it can be labeled for all time. So hit store again, and it says, are we storing it to the same place still? We're happy? Absolutely. So I hit store twice. Program is stored. There you go. Now if you're ever doing this and you make a mistake or you're not sure that you're doing the right thing, you want to get out of here without doing any damage, if you see that the shift also functions as the exit key, you can just hit that and get right out. It'll exit you from anything that makes you feel panicky that you're not sure you should be doing. You can just hit exit.